Stop. If you've been learning English for months, or even years, but still hesitate while speaking, then listen carefully, because today I'm not going to give you 50 tips, not 10 tricks, not complicated grammar rules, just 3 simple rules. And here's the truth. If you follow these 3 rules consistently, you will become fluent. But if you ignore even one, you will stay stuck. Let me prove it to you with real stories. Rule number 1, stop learning, start using. Let me tell you a story. There was a student named Ali. Ali watched English videos every day. He read grammar books. He memorized vocabulary lists. He knew hundreds of words. But when someone asked him a simple question, "Hi, how are you?" he froze. Why? Because Ali was learning English. But he was not using it. English is not a subject. It's a skill. You don't learn swimming by reading a book. You don't learn driving by watching videos. So why are you trying to learn English like that? Simple example. You learn the word, hungry. But instead of saying, "I am hungry," you just remember the word silently. That's the problem. What you should do. From today, turn everything into speaking. See food, say, "I'm hungry." See your phone, say, "This is my phone." Walking outside, say, "I'm walking on the road." Even if your English is broken, speak, because broken English plus practice, fluent English. But perfect grammar plus no speaking, zero fluency. Fluency comes from use, not knowledge. Rule number 2, think in English, not translate. Now listen carefully. This is where most people fail. Let me tell you another story. Sarah wanted to speak English. Whenever she tried to speak, her brain did this. Urdu, English to speak. So when she wanted to say, "Main tak gaya hun," her brain translated it first. Then she spoke. "I am tired." But the problem? This process is slow, very slow. She paused. She hesitated. She lost confidence. Because translation creates delay. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. Simple exercise. Look around you right now. Don't translate. Just think. Chair. Table. Door. Light is on. No Urdu, no Hindi, only English. Start thinking full sentences. I need water. I am feeling tired. I want to improve my English. At first it will feel strange. Your brain will resist, but after a few days, something magical happens. Your brain switches. The moment you stop translating, you start speaking. Rule number 3, consistency over perfection. Now, this is the most important rule. Listen carefully. There were 2 students, Ahmed and John. Ahmed studied English for 5 hours, but only once a week. John studied just 20 minutes. But every single day, after 3 months, who was fluent? John. Lesson. Consistency beats intensity. Big mistake. Most people do this. Study hard for 2 days, then stop for 5 days. This destroys progress. Simple plan. Daily routine. 10 minutes speaking, 5 minutes thinking in English. 5 minutes listening. That's it. Just 20 minutes. But every day. Real example. Imagine learning guitar. If you practice once a week, you forget everything. But if you practice daily, even 10 minutes, you improve fast. English works the same way. Small daily effort creates big results. Let me be honest with you. English is not difficult. Your method is, you don't need talent. You don't need expensive courses. You just need these 3 rules. Use English daily. Think in English. Stay consistent. That's it. If you really want to speak fluent English, don't just watch this video. Start today. Right now. Speak 1 sentence in English, then another, then another. And if you're serious about changing your life, subscribe to this channel. Because here, we don't just learn English, we live it.